What's my favorite alcohol?
Your favorite liquor, yeah? Negroni.
Oh, yeah, okay. Your favorite is wine.
No. Kalah.
What is it then?
Yeah, Negroni. I like cocktail Negroni. I could take more Negronis than wine.
What's my favorite movie genre?
War.
Yeah.
What's my favorite movie genre?
Drama romance. Ow! What? Emang apa?
Comedy.
Kapan kamu nonton komedi anjing? How many exes that I have?
9, 8.
Wait, I need to count first. I forgot. Lu jadi kamu yang mukul aku yang lupa. Yeah, it's 9.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many exes do I have?
It's 3. Emang lebih dari itu? Berapa?
3?
Iya.
2.
3.
2. I'm a loyal man. 2. 2. I told you who is the third one siapa? Huh?
What's my comfort food?
Yang mie gitu, yang ada mie. What's my comfort food?
Breads. Yeah, breads basically. Croissant.
Yes,
Sama chocolate.
Yeah, okay.
So what's my comfort food?
Nasi gitu ya.
Nasi
Nasi padang.
Bakso Malang. What's my favorite place to be alone?
Sophia.
No.
Ow.
My room.
Okay.
Sophia, I'm not alone dong. Kan ada bartendernya.
Yeah, okay. What's my favorite place to be alone?
In your room too?
Yeah.
Yay! Woo! Apa baju yang aku pakai pas our first date? First date is the sushi place with Lina and Dimas.
You were ini versi ini tapi
Yes.
Tank top hitam, choker,
Yeah.
What about me?
You wore a long t-shirt gitu, warna putih.
Yeah.
You did.
Yeah.
Sama celana warna hitam. Apa?
Gak ada celana hitam.
Putih.
Ya udah salah. No second chance.
My favorite music genre.
Indie.
Boleh. Ya nggak itu doang sih, tapi boleh. Ya.
Indie, hip hop,
Correct.
jazz.
Correct.
I got everything. What's my favorite genre? Song.
It's basically EDM. No, bukan EDM. Sabar.
Hey, you lost.
Bukan EDM itu.
EDM so when did I even play
Techno.
Ya udah salah.
Techno.
Hey, catch up bro. Hey, come on yo.
What's my recent favorite song? Apa?
What's my most recent favorite song?
Jimmy Joel. Apa? What's yours?
Would be like Private Landing.
Oh iya. Emang itu favorite? You're sick of it already.
Yeah, one of the favorites. Lalu
Apa? What's mine?
I'd rather be yang 24 karat magic in the air maybe. Some Bruno Mars.
No.
look up on my Spotify.
The color violet. She took my heart, filled it with nothing but pain. Specific food that I don't like.
Oh, specific? I would yeah, desserts. Desserts, everything that's sweet.
No food. Like one dish. No, one dish.
You don't like hate.
You hate. I hate what you hate. I hate.
Pasta?
Pizza. You don't like pizza. I told you already.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Pizza? Do I love Mama Pizza?
No. Fuck that.
Okay, what's my specific food that I don't like?
Specific. Oh my god.
Oh, that's it. That's it.
Fish. Ikan.
Seafood.
What's my hobby?
Definitely like painting, drawing, creative stuff.
Art. Yeah.
Lego too is part of the creative.
Reading books too. Okay, lanjut.
What's my favorite hobby?
Taking video, taking photos, and editing it.
Yeah. Most recently.
How many tattoos did I have?
Astaghfirullah, too much.
Yeah, bro. I told you.
21, 22, 21, 21. Can you do some?
Oh,
Berapa?
25.
Ah, iya. Kemarin waktu you told me 21.
Ya ada.
Ada.
Oh
About me.
Ya satu lah.
Satu?
Iya.
Satu?
Bener.
Gak, ini bisa aja.
What's my shoe size?
43.
No.
43.
No, ya aku punya kaki.
42.5.
Ya udah.
42.5.
Ya. 42.
Ya 42, tapi kemarin lo bilang 43. How about me?
You is 46.
Ya bisa.
Nah.
I'm flexible dari 45, 4,5.
Ya udah berarti benar kan? 46.
Terlalu besar sih.
What's my favorite color?
Color warna gitu.
Iya.
Well, black.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's blue.
what the hell? Why blue? That's the last one.
Blue.
No, why?
Oh, why?
I forgot the visual. Sorry.
Why?
Yeah, white, gray, black. That's like my favorite colors. Like the simple aesthetic. Salah. So,
Ow!
I forgot the
Who's my first love? Just whisper it to me. No.
No.
Parah. Who's your first love?
Yeah. But you have too much lovers. Your heart is not stable.
What's one thing that I cannot live without?
Nothing. This is health. With this you can die. So.
Iya, tapi kayak itu enggak.
No. Oh, you want me to remove this? Cuma bisa. Asmaul mana?
Jadi cepet kamu. One thing that you cannot live without.
One thing I cannot live without. Don't say me. Apa yo?
Technology.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
One thing that I cannot live
why.
without is money. I cannot buy this if I don't have money.
Ya, kamu suka juga
Yeah, tapi pakai apa bayaran duit?
Ya,
Pakai apa? Maksudnya gitu. If I had to choose a place to live, where would it be?
in Australia with a beautiful vineyard in the countryside.
Okay, correct.
I know every single detail. How about me?
Choose a place to live. Anywhere, any country with me. Salah, gak mau.
I choose one country, cannot be like that. Too easy.
Yeah. Italy?
Salah.
What? France.
Salah. Last country udah. No.
Apa?
No.
Apa jawabannya?
Yeah, Australia.
With me kan, halah. So he doesn't watch Game of Thrones, so I'm just gonna change the question to what's one movie that is my favorite of all time? I told you this already.
Your favorite
But you
movie?
you don't want to watch it, I don't know why.
Yang movie gore.
No.
I don't know. Hit me. Harder. Siapa nih?
Notebook.
A notebook. Ya, lupa guys, lupa.
Apa nyebut yours?
Okay, what's a movie? What's my favorite movie?
Of all time?
Yes. Lot of them. 3, 2, 1.
Betty Blue?
It's not like all time. It's
Apa?
a good movie.
Apa? What's my habit kalau aku lagi bete?
Your habit kalau bete.
Yeah.
Habit kayak as in what?
Yes, in my whatever. My action gitu kan. What do I do?
Marah-marah, so.
What?
Marah-marah, nggak sabar. Terus suka minum. You like to be in bed gini.
Salah.
Kalau bete ya bete lo, marah lo.
Kamu.
Ini
I don't. You complain things, terus kayak I don't like this. You don't give me affection today. Nah.
Dia bisa.
Bener. Kita hari ini makannya adalah beef bowl, rice bowl, sama ini ada paru cabai hijau dari kenyang. Gara-gara kemarin makan ini jadi ngidam lagi gue. Enak banget sini. Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
The best sih beef gulai. Enak banget anjir. Damn. Bakwannya juga enak. Best. Wait.
Kita coba apa nih? Gulai.
Beef gulai.
Beef gulai. Alright. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oi.
Ya.
Enak.
Oi.
Enak.
Cobain ininya.
Bakwannya.
With the gulai also. Lidah bule approve.
Approve. Lidah Prancis. Enak?
Di Prancis ada gulai?
Nggak ada.
Hampers dari Ranggi, thank you. By the way, ini enak banget. Ini punyanya Ranggi. Kalian bisa beli juga nih di Bang Comel. Gue udah nyobain kemarin, pecah menurut gue. Terus dapat pai susu jumbo, thank you. Dan juga ini dapat sarung Dobi Rayon. Nah, buat Abi sholat nih.